How about some fish-shaped waffles?
So cold, I need something to warm me up.
How about some of those fish-shaped waffles?
They look good, but I wonder what's inside them.
They are only 2,000 won for 3, so let's get some and find out.
This filling is quite sweet.
It looks like some kind of red bean paste.
They are pretty tasty.
Dialogue 1.
It's freezing. I need something to heat me up.
What about those fish-shaped pastries over there?
They do look appetizing, but I'm curious about their filling.
They're only 2,000 won for a trio, so why don't we grab some and see?
The stuffing is quite sugary.
It seems to be some sort of azuki bean paste.
They're actually quite delicious.
Dialogue 2.
I'm chilled to the bone. I need something to thaw me out.
How about trying those fish-shaped cakes?
They look enticing, but I wonder what's stuffed inside.
At just 2,000 won for 3, let's buy some and investigate.
This filling is rather saccharine.
It appears to be a type of sweet bean paste.
They're quite flavorful, aren't they?
Dialogue 3.
It's so nippy. I need something to warm my insides.
Shall we try those fish-shaped treats?
They look tempting, but I'm wondering about their contents.
They're only 2,000 won for a set of 3, so let's get some and check it out.
The interior is quite sweet tasting.
It looks like some variety of adzuki bean filling.
They're pretty scrumptious, I must say.
Dialogue 4.
I'm feeling frosty. I need something to defrost me.
Why don't we sample those fish-shaped snacks?
They seem appealing, but I'm intrigued about what's in them.
At 2,000 won for a trio, let's purchase some and explore.
The center is quite sugary.
It seems to be a kind of red bean mixture.
They're rather toothsome, don't you think?